Harshana. I am studying in grade 4D in Sri Vidyavani Senior Secondary School. Today we are taking part in the Emergency Response and Preparedness Challenge. We will learn how to stay safe during a flood and how to use a first aid kit to help ourselves and others. This activity will teach us to be calm, prepared and calm in an emergency. Disasters like floods or heat waves can happen unexpectedly. So, it is important to be prepared. Let's look at our strategy to see how we can keep ourselves and our families safe. What things need to be prepared and kept during a flood? Turn off your main power. Keep important cables in a high ISO. Make sure your phones and power lines are fully charged. Also, keep a written note with important phone numbers. What items do we need to prepare for a heat wave? Drink lots of water, keep things like buttermilk or camel soup. Stay indoors. Wear loose clothes. Cover your head with hat if you go out. Should we have a bag ready to go? Yes. In one big set of home safety and an emergency bag. Here is what goes inside. Bandage, antiseptic, torch, whistle, simple books like biscuit corner. Do not wait. Check your kit today. See, prepared with the best training breaker.
Sri Vidyavani Senior Secondary School,